I'm going to show you how to make stunning video shorts for you and your clients in minutes with VidzAGENcy. You can make ads, sales and promotions, product intros and demos, tips, facts, countdowns, questions, quotes, logo openers, lower thirds, simple explainers, tutorials, user-generated content, greetings, and more. And it's really simple with all the included done-for-you templates. Just click on Project and we'll grab a logo. And let's say we wanted to customize this for our client. All we have to do is go over here to Images and we can replace our logo with theirs. And boom, it's done. 30 seconds. You got a brand new logo opener. You can change the kinetic effects for the way that it appears. You can change, this one happens to be smoke, but you can add any kind of effect that you want. Now let's customize a video ad. And we can do that in seconds because when we load in the project, it'll automatically load the entire project slide by slide, and we can edit anything and everything on every one of these slides. The canvas is all drag and drop, so you can just drag and drop every element that's on the canvas. You also have a timeline down here where you can change the timing of slides. Each of the elements on each of the slides appears down here, so you can have them appear at different times during the slide. You can extend or shrink the appearance effects, the kinetic text effects, and everything else. You can change the order that things appear on any given slide, and you can obviously add as many slides as you want. In this case, we want to keep it really simple. We want to make a video promo for our coffee shop client. So we're just going to go to the last page, and visit us today is fine, but obviously this coffee shop is not going to be called The Soul. So we're going to need to change this background video, and we're also going to need to change the name right there. So let's go to videos and let's get rid of that particular video. And let's say that we went to their coffee shop and got some footage, or they sent us a video. We'll go ahead and we'll upload that. And then what we can do is we can actually strip out the audio, and we can choose the start time, and we can choose the end time. So we'll start it there, and we'll trim this clip just so we get just the right amount that we want, end time, and then we'll click OK. That automatically replaces the background right there. Now our coffee shop client has their video of their store in the background. Now the next thing is we're going to want to change the name, obviously, right? So we'll go over here to text, green coffee. Maybe a funny name, but that's okay. And visit us today is good. For Main Street, we can say that it's still 123 Main. If it was something else, we could change that as well. And for all the text, you can change all the kinetic effects and everything else. But for right now, in addition to that, let's say that there's a logo that we want to add. So they gave us their logo, and so we're going to go ahead and import that. It's this little coffee cup guy. So we'll go down here, we'll grab the coffee cup, we'll add that. We can add some animation effects, so let's have that fly in, I guess. And we'll fly it in from top to bottom. And then we'll go ahead and do that. And then we're going to want to resize that because it's way too big, which is fine. We'll shrink that guy down. And then the other thing about this video is you'll notice that it's very sort of bottom heavy. So we really want to sort of move the text more to the top, because the thing about it is we want the video of their store to show through. And so we're going to go ahead and move that up there. And now we've literally customized their video just that fast. Play this last slide. It will now create this as though it's their own video here for their particular client. And so we've created this entire video. All I have to do is click produce. So it's that fast and easy to customize a given template. But it goes way beyond that, because in addition to all the templates you get and the ability to customize them, it's a full-featured video creator. So you can apply a theme to change all of the slides in one click to create brand new projects literally from scratch. You can create videos from scratch or use the templates. You can upload a text script and have it automatically convert it to slides. You can add backgrounds and you can change any of the backgrounds. You get a huge included library. For the text, you have the ability to change the fonts. You have the ability to change all the kinetic effects. So you have a bunch of different appearance effects, a bunch of different exit effects. You can do shadows, you can do highlights, tons of different things there. You can add images, and you can add static images or animated images. And you get a huge library of included images that come with it already, but you can also upload your own. So you can upload any sort of static image, you can upload any sort of animated image, and then you can add those to your slides. And when you do, you can actually add animation to them, even if they're not animated. In addition to that, you can add sounds. You get a huge built-in sound effects library and music library. So you have background music that you can add. You also have the ability to add sound effects and you can loop them, you can fade them in, you can fade them out, and you can upload your own as well. You can also add videos. And the beautiful thing about videos is you can add slide videos, which is the entire background of any given slide, and it will cover the background. Or you can also add project videos. And these can be transparent videos like this that sit on top of your other videos. And these can be dragged and dropped anywhere in the project. You get tons of included video effects and all that, so you can add videos to any of your slides, make any of your slides videos. You can also add video effects on top of any of your slides. In addition to that, you can add transitions. So if you choose a slide that has a slide after it, you can add a transition. There are a bunch of built-in transitions. There are also a bunch of built-in video transitions. So you can go ahead and just click on this, and it will show you what the transition looks like. When you click OK, it adds it, and as this slide plays to this slide, it will play that transition in between. You can also add your branding, your logo, and everything else. So it's a full-featured video creator, but the beauty of it is you get a bunch of awesome video short templates already included that you could customize and render in 1 minute. You could create videos in widescreen like this. You can also create story vertical style videos for social media feeds and mobile phones. In addition to that, you also have the scene creator. And this is an awesome feature because what this means is if, let's say you created this particular slide and this was sort of their logo screen and you were going to make a bunch of videos for them, instead of recreating it every time, I can right click, I can save this as a scene. Now, if I'm creating a brand new project, I can go ahead and add this to it in 1 click. All I'd have to do is right click on any slide, load scene, and then I could just do coffee shop 1 scene. I could add it to the current slide or a new slide, and boom, there it is. So now I can make videos for clients and myself even faster because I can save any individual slide as a scene that I like and reuse it over and over again in every single project. So all of that stuff is possible. And then you can render your video in real time, on demand, right on your computer. And it's really that fast and simple. Stunning MP4 videos that you can use for yourself. You can sell to your clients. Video shorts are taking over the internet. And with VidzAGENcy, you have the ability to create ads, sales and promos, product intros, demos, tips, facts, countdowns, questions, quotes, logo openers, lower thirds, simple explainer videos, tutorials, user-generated content, greetings, and more. So the sky is the limit in terms of what you can create and how much you can make with VidzAGENcy.